Namaste. This is Rotarian Savita Chavan and Assistant Professor from Srimati Piendoshi Women's College, Ghatkopar. I take this opportunity to congratulate all of you who had been connected with us for the last 21 days in our initiative in the realms of meditation, which is entitled as Renew Yourself, Body, Mind and Spirit. I take this opportunity to thank our ever active management of the college as well as Madam Principal, who strongly believed in our capacity to carry out this initiative successfully. I'm also thankful to all the colleagues and participants who believed in us that to go ahead with us and to bring this dream come true. All the Rotaractors who had been there in the organization and execution of everyday project assistance are really praiseworthy. So I take this opportunity also to thank you all and wish you all the best for carrying out your own bit to carry out this advice of meditation. With this, when I was receiving personal calls and messages about the feedback, one point I want to make you clear is that when we are an active meditators, we are supposed to look after what do we think and what disposition we do have towards ourselves and towards others. So you are prominently supposed to think positively all the time, because whatever you think when you are meditating, it gets intensified. There is a fine example of Ravana. Whatever he thought, and he was a very strong meditator, that got intensified. So similarly, this should not happen with you. When you are thinking positively, good for others, good for everybody, and just experiencing that greatness of goodness in itself, that should be intensified for you. So you'll have to take care of your thoughts being positive, good for you yourselves and also for the others. So please keep this on mind, and yes, please continue with your everyday meditation. Try to give out this meditational experience to others as well. I take this opportunity to thank Deepak Chopra being so benevolent for making this meditational clips free of cost available to all of us. A big thank you to each and everybody for making this a great success. Thank you. And stay meditating, stay connected, stay always happy. Let this meditational experience give you the balance in life with renewal every day with your body, mind and spirit. Thank you.